Similar to U chart, now we are going to create P chart using Excel. P chart stands for proportion chart. For example, it requires two ingredients. One ingredient is sample, where you can call it as volume, or how much sample you're going to take to test or determine. Another one is that defective lamps, right, or defective. In this case, we are going to take a look on defective lamps. And 300 samples been tested and 8 been found. That means approximately around 3% found to be defective, right? Similarly like this. So with these two column or two values, we can find out p value individual, p bar, UCL, LCL, and so on, right? And then this is the formula. So I'm going to brief in upcoming video. So UCL P bar, that is average, plus 3 square root of P bar 1 minus P bar whole divided by N bar. N bar means average. What's the average of the sample that we are going to take it? So I'll keep it here, and what you are going to get it is that you are going to get similarly like this chart, right? This chart, you can see that the individual value, for example, the first sample had got 2.67 percentage of defect, and then the average defect is 2%, and the maximum defect it goes is 4.5 and 0. Here one thing to notice is that even if we get by formula, theoretically if you're getting minus value, but still we need to consider it as 0, because we don't call out the defective percentage as -1 or -2. So even if you get any minus value, we need to call out as 0. And then this is the value. As you can see that the process is well within the limit. There is no outlier. If at all any outlier is been found, for example, let's say I'm just artificially changing this value 88 to 80. Of course, this is going to be a big outlier, right? So you can see that this is a very, very big outlier, right? So all of a sudden, the rejection rate has increased to 26 percentage or 27 percentage, right? This is outlier, right? But in this case now, what I'm doing it, I'm undoing it, I'm just keeping it back in a original position. So this is how the P chart is can be created using Excel, and we're going to learn much more things in detail using the detailed illustration video. Please stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe channel. You have wonderful day.